Hi everyone! Welcome to Ara Jen Creates! Today, me and my mom will gonna make Christmas ornaments like this. We have a reindeer and an elf, Santa, and then snowman. We have Olaf in here. Here's Olaf joining my video today. So, for this, we're gonna need some 4 tissue cord, and glue, and cotton, so fluffy, and some coated wire, and a wet red string, and some tissue cord, cut it, and some scissors, some buttons, and some googly eyes, and the nose is made of art paper, and red and green art paper for the Santa and elf dress, and a marker. To make a reindeer, we need, I choose brown color for the horn. Make a round shape for the nose and stick it at the center. And place the googly eyes on top. Then place the stick above the eyes. To make the Santa, we need make a cone shape for the hat. Attach it on top of the tube. Attach the cotton around the hat. To make a bird, we need some cotton. Place the cotton around the hat. Paste the nose and the googly eyes. Paste the 2 buttons. To make the snowman, we need Wrap the tube with white paper. Attach the coated wire. Put the red string at the center. Attach the googly eyes and the nose. Then paste the two buttons. Put the cotton balls at the sides. To make the elf, we need the green art paper. Make a cone for the hat. Make a red round nose. Attach the cotton for the hair. Attach the cotton at the tip of the hat. Paste the googly eyes. Attach the red buttons. Make a mouth using a marker. Ta-da! We're done making all of the Christmas ornaments. Two snowman, and two Santas, two reindeers, and two elves. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Annyeong. Thanks for watching.